Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty World. I'm Madison here, and today I have a special guest with me, Alice.
Hi guys.
So today we're gonna do a slime collection video, and these slimes are all homemade. So yeah, we're gonna do 5 each, 10 in total. So,
and just note, these are all Madison slimes.
yes. So let's get started. The first slime we have here is a pink slime with pink glitter in it and foam beads, and we also have some cornstarch added into this, so that's why it's a bit thicker than normal slime. It makes great clicks and bubble pops. Let's look at, and great slime swirls. And comment down below name suggestions for these, and your name might be picked to name these slimes. Next slime.
Okay, so I have this one. It's a water slime with some packing peanuts mixed into it. Let me take it out. And it's very soft and clicky. Personally, I think this is one of my favorites. So, I would just call this slime the peanut slime, but anyway, if you guys have any name suggestions, we'd really like to hear them. Next.
So this next slime is kind of similar to the orange slime with packing peanuts in it, but it's white and very clicky and jiggly, and the packing peanuts are smaller, so it makes a different texture. And comment down below name suggestions for this one. Next slime.
Okay, so this one is a thick slime with some foam beads, very nice and stretchy, and it reminds me of a rice cake, but take it out. Super soft and also pretty crunchy. And actually, yeah. So, tell us what you think this slime should be called, and moving on.
The next slime is this turquoise slime. Turquoise butter slime with micro colorful foam beads in it. And this is one of the butter slimes that have a very good click to it. Listen to that crisp click. And it also spreads.
It spreads.
Yes. Very nice.
Smooth. Butter slime frosting.
Yes. And it kind of looks blue on camera, but it's turquoise. Moving on.
Okay, so the next one we have is one similar to the last. It's a purple one, which on camera kind of looks pink, but it's purple. And this one is a little bit less thick, but still has those packing, or not packing peanuts, the styrofoam beads in it. This one's a little more clicky too, but I really like this one. Has a very nice purple color to it. And next.
The next slime is my favorite. Comment down below if you recognize this slime. Hint, it's from my first video. So it's very glossy. Look at that gloss right there. And it's very clicky. So if you saw my first video, you probably know what this name is. But if you guys don't like this name, you could rename it. So it's super clicky. Makes amazing bubble pops. Very glossy. And it makes amazing slime swirls. On to the next slime.
So this one, I really like this one, but it is a blue butter slime. It's not clicky like the last one, but it is super soft, and since it's butter slime, it's really spreadable. And I'm gonna get the popsicle stick and so next.
I think that's it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that big red subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up.
Ding.